Well, we just signed in for our press day for AVIKTAS. So yeah, we're just waiting now to be let outside, and we'll have all the opening ceremony, and then we'll get to go on the ride. We'll bring you the POV. Let's go. Oh, we just sort of tied it in. It says cheese in the little voice as well. Right, that's it. We're on our way in to the AVIKTAS opening. How crazy is this? Watching this project all the way along from concept, well, rumour to concept, like officially announced, VIP behind the scenes, and now we're here for it, obviously, and VIP ride preview, and now we're actually the official opening day. And I can actually record on ride for you today. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. Let's get in there. There we go. Oh yeah, we're just waiting now for all the ceremonies to start. Everyone's just standing about. How cool the ride area looks like, all the theming, so it's sort of stylised, all the plant work and the rocks. The entrance portal as well. You better look at that in a minute. It does feel very iconic, it's got very dark side of icon. Yeah. So we've got the VVIPs over there. Now you've got the peasants here.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sasha from Intamin up the ride for us. Without AVIKTAS swinging. Waiting for the first dispatch now. Here they go.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen, the first official launch of AVIKTAS The Ride with some of our VIP guests on there. I think I can spy Sasha from Intamin on there. As he said, don't think about it, just ride it.
There we go, the first official ride of AVIKTAS just gone. Hopefully we get in the queue in a minute, we'll get on the ride and show you the POV as well. Come with me as we go on AVIKTAS. Blackpool Pleasure Beach's brand new Intamin Gyro swing, tallest in the UK, at 100, swings up to 138 foot tall in the air. How crazy is that? Let's get on it. Cool, we're in the ride here now for AVIKTAS, getting into the queue line. All little theming bits, all these down the wall. Let's get on it. Hey! 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 Got the big AVIKTAS sign at the back there as well. Well, come with us as we ride AVIKTAS at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. How crazy is that? rideable though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was worried about feeling nauseous on it.
No, yeah, the horses are insane.
It doesn't rotate fast enough to make you sick.
Yeah. Coming back through here when you're
Oh yeah. But on the VIP day, you're in there, you could feel the wind, like, you know, because that anticipation, because we hadn't been on it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, the G-forces on that, like I say, when you're at the top and you go fully upside down.
Coming through this bit as well, just trying to keep your arms up like you're...
Yeah.
Please release your seatbelt and push up on the restraints.
Oh, there's some details on the doors, look. Got a snake skin on the back of the doors for the entrance portal. Stuff you wouldn't see normally. Well, we're now on our third go on AVIKTAS on the press event. It's a little bit of rain, but it's actually really warm. I'm literally in a t-shirt, even though it's raining. The first public ride of AVIKTAS at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Yes, there you have it. AVIKTAS, what can I say? Such an amazing ride. We've just had, I think it's like 6 goes on that in the press event, and you've just watched the first public riders on it as well. It's literally the best flat ride in the UK, hands down. There's no disputing that. So yeah, get yourselves down to Pleasure Beach, come and try it for yourselves. On that note, we'll see you in the next one. God, I'm out of breath. See you in the next one. Bye.